Myself Ushashri. Now I am going to demonstrate how to execute VHDL coding for master slave JK flip-flop. Before watching this video, please do subscribe, click bell icon and share this video. For this, we are using Xilinx. Click on ISE, select new project, file, new project. Now here give the program name JK flip-flop. Click next and check whether it is automotive Spartan 3 and VHDL coding. Click next, finish. Right click on XA3S50, add new source. In this, you need to select VHDL module and give the program name. Click next, and in this program for JK master slave JK flip-flop, we are using preset clear as inputs and always there should be 1 as well clock. Okay, positive clock, negative clock, clock cycle. So we need to take one clock and JK are the inputs, and this JK flip-flop of master outputs were given as an inputs for slave. As well clock, first clock cycle, if suppose it is positive, the master will be activating. When it is negative, the slave will be activating. Now we are giving the inputs preset P, clear as C, J, K and clock CLK. These are all the inputs. Direction in. Next we'll get Q as output as well Q bar. But actually no need of Q bar, because whenever the Q is 1, always the Q bar should be 0. And Q is 0, Q bar becomes 1. This is inverse. Out. These two are the outputs. Click next and finish. Now coming to coding part, come here and add here one input signal. This is the one of the input signal we are giving, that is a vector 0 to 1. So we are using 1 down to 0. Then in begin, write the code for master slave JK flip-flop. This is the coding, that is input. What are all the inputs? J and K. And for process we are using clock, JK, preset, clear. Okay, taking one temporary variable, okay, for assigning Q and Q bar outputs. Now when clock and preset, always these two should be 1. Then only this clock edge is positive, rising edge. So it is positive. Then case input is, these are all the 4 cases. 1 0, 0 1, 1 1. Otherwise for 0 case 0 0, it should be null. Okay, when it is 1 0, then the temporary is set to 1. When it is 0 1, it is set to 0. And when it is 1, it is inverse of temp. End case for this if, and if. For if else part, for this preset and clear, if suppose they are 0 1 1 0 or 0 0, then always temp should be 0. And if and Q is, that is the output Q is assigned with temp according to the given inputs. Then Q bar is inverse of temp, not temp. So end this process. This completes our JK master slave flip-flop coding. Now click on simulation. Right click on this. Again add new source. Select VHDL test bench and give the name of your flip-flop, JK flip-flop. Click next and finish. Now this is the waveform code, set to all zeros. So initially first we need to set preset is 1, clear should be 1. JK flip flop, J and K combination 0 0 is given. Okay. Now this clock will be, by default it will be 10 nanoseconds, change it to 100 nanoseconds. And this is the positive edge of clock and negative edge of clock 0. Now here always preset clear should be 1 1 and only the JK values will be changing. 0 0 already set, so we need to enter, that is type this J is equal to 0, K is equal to 1, J is 1 and K is 0, JK values both 1 1. This should be typed. Okay, you need to write this code. Save the program and go for iSIM simulator. Check behavioral syntax. Okay, completed successfully. Check the output by using simulate behavioral model. Double click on that. Okay, zoom this. See the output. For clock, this is the clock. Positive edge, negative. Okay, now these are all the inputs. Always preset and clear 1. Okay, now J and K. Changing the JK values 0 0. Output is Q 0 and Q bar is 1. When this is 0 1, again 0 and Q bar is reverse value 1. And when JK values 1 and 1, then the Q value is 1, Q bar becomes 0. This is what the output for master slave JK flip flop. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and click bell icon.